So if you caught my ESR S22 Ultra case lineup video, I did say I had something special in store for the iPhone users out there. They might have felt a little slighted. So I did want to go ahead, unbox and take a look at the HaloLock KickStand wireless charger for the iPhone series. I even got some suspicions and some theories that this may work with Android. Just bear with me. So let's go ahead, get her unboxed and take a first look. Alright guys, here we are with the HaloLock KickStand wireless charger, obviously from ESR, so user first, innovative, and worldwide. They did go ahead and send me out the black model, and I can already tell you right off the bat, yo, shout out to ESR for doing Type-C. We need everything Type-C, no more Lightning. I can't even count how many times that I've, had to plug my iPhone in via Lightning. Like, I am just sworn against it at this point, right? As some more information here on the back, you can go ahead and pause and read that, but I'm gonna bring in the keys here. You already see that lanyard, go Gryffindor. Shout out to all my Gryffindors out there. That's the only house that matters is Gryffindor, the only house that matters. Let me go ahead and open this joint up. So go ahead and grab that. Nothing else in the box, put that off to the side. So right here, it's already telling you some really good things here. So it's already telling you what you need to do in terms of the cable and the charger. So make sure you choose the right case, choose the right cable, and choose the right adapter. So shouldn't have any problems. I have plenty of the more high powered chargers and all of that good stuff. So shouldn't have any issues at all, but identifying the right charger, we're good on there. We'll put that off to the side, but it's still dope that they do include that. That way it gives you some guidance on what kind of cable and what kind of charger you're actually going to need. You got some more information here about some more of their products, so you can go ahead and take a look at that. And then here, I'm guessing, is just like the instruction manual on how to actually, use it, what's the proper way to use it, all of that. So let's go ahead and get this thing out. Give you kind of like the little padding there. Oh, and they actually sent me out. Okay, dope. I thought they sent me out the black. They actually sent me out. It looks like the Sierra Blue, which is pretty dope because I have the Sierra Blue iPhone. So maybe they just looked at some of my videos. If you did, yo, shout out to y'all, ESR. All right, so you got your cable here. So super dope that they already include a cable, and the cable is definitely on the longer side here. I can't even really fit it all in the frame of the camera, but definitely a longer cable. It obviously is Type-C to Type-C, so absolutely no issues there whatsoever. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the actual MagSafe adapter itself. So as you can see, oh, hold on, sorry about that, guys. But as you can see, got your ESR branding right there front and center. It says charging starts within 3 seconds. Go ahead and pull that off. Got some more of that ESR branding, and that is definitely like a kind of, feels like it might be glass or plastic, but either way, you're gonna put that onto the phone itself. You don't have to really worry about putting that on anything else. So if it is plastic, that's perfectly fine. Then we'll go ahead and make sure I'm doing this wrong. That's why it wouldn't come out. I'm already causing issues. So I was trying to pull it out from here. You kind of see I'm starting to mess it up a bit, but it actually comes out from the bottom. Duh, Isaiah. You would think I would know these things. Anyway, got that same metal kickstand that I absolutely loved coming from the ESR case lineup. So really happy to see them kind of carry that forward. You get some more ESR branding here. So you'll see ESR kickstand wireless charger, has the output and all of that good stuff. So some other regulatory things there, but it's kind of how it'll stand up. So that's pretty dope. Let me bring in the iPhone. I got the Kadabi sheath case on it, so we'll test that MagSafe. And I can kind of already feel it pulling, and you felt it kind of pull in place. Let me do some shaking. Shaking it pretty violently here, guys, and you can see it's not coming off. So definitely dope. I don't have one of the normal Apple MagSafe the Apple MagSafe chargers, so I don't know how that is in correlation to how strong those are, but this feels really strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit it this way, or actually here, we'll turn it around since we're gonna have our phone kind of set that way. So let's go ahead and pull that kickstand out. You can already see there, I got some notifications. Shout out to the homie Scoop. But anyway, you can see it right there, so that's always good. Let's go ahead and put this on do not disturb, so that way you guys don't get disturbed. But anyway, you can already see I'm pushing it here on this end just to see if that kickstand kind of gives out, but it absolutely doesn't. It's nice and firm, and you're not gonna have any issues. This isn't like flimsy or anything like that. So let me go ahead. I have, even though they did give you the cable, so they do give you that, I have a type C to type C cable already here. I'm literally just gonna go ahead and plug this in, and let's take a look and see what happens. There you go. Plug that in, and you can see literally just started charging. So literally, like, for me, this actually becomes pretty useful. I know a lot of people are like, this is a super niche product, and I guess you can look at it that way, but like for me, for example, I'll sometimes place my iPhone on my nightstand, and I use the Mophie 3-in-1, the Apple Watch, AirPods Pro, and MagSafe middle charger as like my everyday charger, right? So when I'm using those chargers, unfortunately, the MagSafe portion for the phone doesn't have like a stand or anything like that. So in all honesty, there's no real way for you to kind of, continue to watch, content or anime or YouTube or Netflix or whatever on your phone. And I'm someone that likes to, hey guys, you can kind of see me there in the frame. But anyway, I'm kind of somebody who likes to be able to watch content while I'm sitting in bed and things like that, right? So like I said, you honestly just can't do that with the Mophie when it doesn't stand up. But with something like this, I can literally just prop it up and it's still charging my device with no problem. So that's really, really dope. All right, but now for the Android users out there, what I want to test is if you have, say, a MagSafe case for your Android device. Shout out to the good folks over at Gel Apple. No, they didn't send me this case out. I actually purchased it myself, but I will include a link for it in the description. It's exactly what it looks like. It's a clear MagSafe case for your S22 Ultra. They also have it for the rest of the S22 line and the S21 line, if I'm not mistaken, but that's the extent of Android phones that they do support. So, but it's literally exactly what it looks like. Clear case, MagSafe. Let's go ahead and see what we can get here on. You can already see MagSafe works great. I'll prop that out, and it is saying, you can see it at the bottom. Oh, hold on, let me undo it and redo it. That way you guys can see it, but you'll see it says fast wireless charging. So we do got some fast wireless charging going down. Nice. This is really, really dope. So I can honestly use this with any phone that supports, some level of MagSafe, which is dope, right? Android folks need MagSafe love too. But overall, yo, this is a super dope product, man. So if you guys are interested in the ESR HaloLock MagSafe charger, I will go ahead and make sure that I throw in a link directly to ESR's page for it, as well as the link on Amazon if you want to pick one up from there. But like I said, guys, super dope product. You can even take this out with you on the go and just kind of plug it into a battery bank. You could do it that way. Or even if you just want to kind of have it as an attachment for your phone, so you're going out to eat or whatever, just lock it in, pop out that kickstand, and now you can, prop it and watch TV the same way you would with the kickstand case. So something super dope, guys. Again, go check them out. Super clean product, another win from ESR, but have a good one, guys. Really feeling this product. All right, guys, so that was the HaloLock from ESR, a MagSafe kickstand wireless charger. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. But as always, this is Ike's Tech Talk. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks as always for watching, guys. Peace.